So beer.
Matthias,
Yeah.
you got it made in Chiang Rai. Beer and lunch from Lala.
Yeah, the best ever. Really. No, some beer in the morning. I don't drink until later. But in the morning, because so when I drink in the night, I don't feel so really good. Then I drink a beer, then it's okay. Then I stop also until the night, also all day. But one in the morning to stop the
It's okay, yeah.
feeling strange.
That's your first one today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I get up 1 hour ago. Yeah, at 12 o'clock I wake up. Really late. I don't
12.
Yeah, yesterday and 2 nights ago we made party until really late. 4 o'clock. So David is still sleeping. David is still sleeping. So yeah, I normally I like to get up early.
Oh, yeah.
I like it. But when I drink beer,
Yeah.
I sleep and
Yeah.
she cooks really good.
Yeah.
Noodles.
Treat the pepper. You like spicy? Oh, yeah. Pepper.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but eating like this is
Too spicy, yeah?
yeah. You always has to adapt. So when I travel, when I travel more months, then after some months you can eat a lot of spicy. But when I go home for half a year, then when I go travel next time, new I have to adapt.
Yeah,
New, because at home you don't eat, so we don't. I like spicy, but at home you never arrive at this spicy. You can put a lot of chili, but the chili is not spicy and the oil is not spicy. No, nothing. So yeah.
I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.
Mussolini, same, but she's the first since because we had in 50 years we have 60 prime ministers.
Oh,
So we have this record all over the world.
60.
Yes, in 50 years. So normally during 5 years, one period. We never had one who tasted half year, 3 months, 1 year and a half. Always. Now we have a woman. She's young. She's 46, 7. No. She is inside. She's fascist. She's not. She's populist, like Trump, like Orban, like that people. But for the people in Italy, she does good work.
Oh, yeah?
She does good work. Yes.
Oh, that's good.
And now she's more than a year already in the power. Huh? This much in Italy. And I think she can do it to stay 5 years. The first man and woman. So I think it's the first woman in Italy was in power, and she's the first one who got also because I voted her.
Oh, yeah?
I never vote right or like in America it's the Republican. I never vote like that. I'm more than the left side. I'm more but she is the time
She was right. She's a right.
Yeah, no, she's good. She's
She's
good.
right.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's good. And she stopped also to speaking about too much of fascism, of nationalism. She doesn't do that anymore. She did it before, but now she knows that she has to be more quiet, and she did a lot for Italy.
oh,
She
that's
does a
good.
lot for Italy. This is very good because we in the EU, in the European Union, European is a failed project. So the Union European not, but the euro is failed project.
Oh yeah.
This is not working. You cannot compare Sweden with Italy or make the same laws like in two countries totally different. You cannot do. So the EU was good when there was 12, 13 countries. Now we have 27, and we take all the east. They are poor, and the EU is getting more poor and poor and poor. More poor countries we take because we have to pay them.
Yeah.
Now we want the Ukraine. They want to come in here. What the fuck? No, we don't need. Also, we need more. We need more Russia and not Ukraine, because in Europe and Russia, we have since hundreds of years. We always had a good relation, and we people pay now this conflict. We in Europe because we pay the arms, we pay the weapons, we pay that now we take the oil, the petrol, everything from US and not anymore from Russia. What the price was maybe 20%, then now in Russia is 3, or in USA we pay 3 times more. And nobody looks at that, but we pay. But for the US, it's perfect, because now the first time he could make, because for them was never okay that Europe and Russia are closed, closed. No, they never liked it. Now they put a Kyle. They put a now. We are broken. in
Oh,
Russia.
you're broken.
So for US, this is good. But for Europe, we pay all this. We pay 20% more, all eating, everything, 20% more than 1 year ago. This
what-
for us, this is the worst thing what could happen.
Why is it
And-
more expensive?
Yeah, everything is.
What happened? How
Last
come?
year, 10% inflation we had.
How come?
10%. It comes because a lot is the electricity, the oil, gas we took from Russia, and Russia was cheap. Now we have to take it from Norwegian or from US, and costs 3 times more.
Oh.
Then is all the food. But a lot of factories, they use it. You know. My brother was building his house 2 years ago. He started in the worst moment. I was lucky. I stopped paying my apartment. I finished paying 3 years ago, and then so if you got money from the bank, you have to pay
Yeah, loan.
loan. Yeah, and that I paid 1%. Now you pay 6-7%, and I finished some months before it got up. Hello, want to join us? Yeah, no, but my brother paid the double. He close to double what before he planned,
Yeah.
because everything was more expensive. And everything comes from Ukraine. Everything. The iron, the steel, the wood, everything they say it's from Ukraine. What the fuck? It's not. It's for the factories and for everything to push up the price. No?
So Italy is for Ukraine. Yeah.
Yes, it's the whole EU. But we and a lot of other places or countries, they stopped. They stopped a little bit with the helps. So we cannot pay every year 30 billions of euro. Only because if we didn't pay never, then this war should end. The end in 2 months. The war was finished because the Russian. Everybody says, oh, they want to attack Europe, and Zelensky is the same. Yeah, Zelensky is a Jewish man. He is rich. He is that rich
Oh yeah.
that he could pay all the weapons what we paid for him.
Oh yeah.
He's really, really rich. And I know some Ukrainian people, and they are nationalist. They don't like from other countries. And the east of Ukraine and Crimea, that lives 90% of Russian people, and they made a referendum. They want to stay with Russia. The Ukrainian government, they don't accept this, and they punish the people. They were really not good to the people. And yeah, it's one truth, another truth. It's not. Yeah, it's not so that Russia is totally the aggressor there. Okay, they attacked, but also they try to serve the people, because the Ukrainian government and people, they are really nationalist. They don't like other people. They don't like black people. They hate black people. They think. I was speaking with one. I work with him.
This is Russians.
The Ukrainian.
Oh, Ukrainian don't like it.
No. I was speaking with one, and he told me, no, black people, they don't have the same value like white people. They agree to this. They are. So for them, black people are like monkeys, and we're human. So they deep. They cry. They think so. Also in Russia, but the best thing should be that Ukrainian give in Russia this place, East Ukraine and Crimea, and finish. Yeah, because why you have to die always, people? It's like in Israel now. This is not correct. What
Ukraine don't want to give them the people.
Yeah, but they have to, because last year they lose the war, because Ukraine now the Western countries, they slowly stop the money transfer there. They stop because it's no sense, and they see that Ukraine, they don't have the war is stopped at the front. It's stopped there. And Russian, they can go on years and years, but Ukrainian, they cannot go on for a long time. When they don't have any more weapons, they have to whatever. So the place what the Russians already have, and all the east and Crimea, go to Russia and finish. They also made a referendum, and the people said yes, we want to go to Russia. So here are the people. Not what the governments and the blah blah blah. And Zelensky, I really don't like him. And now they use all this fake news always, no? Russia and Ukraine, they are the same.